Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are well. And okay, so today I will show you how to replace iPhone 6 battery. So this is iPhone 6. iPhone 6. This is the old model, but it's good phone. So let's do it to replace the iPhone 6 battery. So let's go. So first you power off your phone. Okay, so remove the screw at the bottom of pentalobe screw to open. Okay, now you can use this blade very careful to okay, we use this. Okay, okay, so remove this first and you use the other screwdrivers. It's 4.8 something. So open this. The first you remove the battery connectors and then take it aside. Remove the battery connector with the plastic. This plastic stick to. So this one is done, and also you remove the LCD screen connectors. So separate the screen and then take off the battery. Okay, so very carefully to remove the battery. Okay, I use this. Done. It's done. So this is the battery. This one I removed. And now I will do it with this battery. So it's all done. Okay, so same you This is the double tape. It's a little pressed because of the double tape. It's perfectly fitted. Okay, now so it's done. So go to fixed. So first fix the LCD. And then put the battery. And then do it with this. Put back on screw. Okay, so now fix the screen. Okay, so put the pentalip screw back in. Done. So turn on the phone. Yes, it's perfect. So it's all done to remove the battery and fix a new one. So it's working perfectly. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Okay, it's all done. So today I will finish the iPhone 6 battery replacement of this iPhone 6. That's the little old model, but it's good phone, and people also like this time also like this phone and use it, but it's not very costly, so it's very low price. So that's why the people like this phone that this time. And okay guys, today I will finish the iPhone 6 battery replacement. And you like my video, subscribe my channel, hit the like button. I make more video for other model and other things, battery, LCD, screen replacement, the camera replacement, ear speaker replacement, and charging flex replacement, and other vibrator and other things in all iPhone and all other phone. So remember to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.